Are you running workloads in AWS? Have you ever considered optimizing them with a fully managed intelligent data infrastructure without the headaches of scaling and maintenance? Hey, I'm Graf, and today I'll show you how NetApp Instaclustr helps you run high performance, secure, and scalable data solutions seamlessly alongside and integrated with your AWS workloads. With VPC peering, your traffic stays private and allows your AWS workloads to communicate with your services running on NetApp Instaclustr. Let's take a look at how it all comes together. Okay, so here we are in our AWS console. You can see we have an EC2 instance running in our VPC. We can tab over to the NetApp Instaclustr console and see that we already have an Apache Kafka cluster running in our account. On the left, we'll click on AWS VPC peering and begin inserting the AWS account information where our EC2 instance is running and submit the peering request. Heading back into the AWS console, we'll click the peering connection button and accept the request. Next, we'll need to add a route in the route table to direct that traffic across the peered connection. We can see the connection is now active. We'll take note of the private IPs of our Kafka nodes and attempt to telnet them from our EC2 instance. Each telnet request connects successfully. And that's how easy it is to connect your AWS workloads with Instaclustr managed workloads. Leveraging a fully managed service, you get expert support 24/7, continuous optimization, and a secure, high-performant data infrastructure, all without the burden of managing it yourself. So, while your applications run seamlessly in AWS, Instaclustr ensures your data layer is always reliable, scalable, and ready to grow with you. Come take a look at how NetApp Instaclustr can help you manage and grow your applications. See ya.